The Toyota Genuine Accessory Team serves up its vision of a factory-tuned GR Supra rolled up into a green machine, dubbed the Wasabi Concept at the 2019 SEMA Show. There's no shortage of excitement surrounding the new 2020 GR Supra. The members of the Toyota Genuine Accessory Team also share in the excitement, and they jumped at the chance to build a Supra for the 2019 SEMA Show. This build focuses on enhancing performance without compromise. It also serves as a gauge to measure consumer interest, which will help the team as they make plans on future products. The GR Supra Wasabi Concept benefits from enhanced bodywork, courtesy of 5-axis. The aero package with spoiler adds a track-inspired feel to the Supra's already aggressive lines. The dual tips of the 102mm Toyota Supra single-center exit exhaust system integrate into the rear fascia and give this Supra a deep, throaty exhaust note that will resonate with enthusiasts. A staggered set of Toyota forged aluminum wheels, 20 by 10 inch for the front and 20 by 11 inch rear, complement the Wasabi Concept's appearance while lending to reduced, unsprung weight for improved handling and feedback. These strong and lightweight rims feature Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires in a 275 by 30 R20 in the front and 305 by 30 R20 in the rear, offering that provide the Supra with increased grip for optimal traction. Upgraded Brembo BM brake calipers with slotted 2-piece brake rotors replace the factory components. Up front, 6-piston calipers squeeze massive 405mm rotors, while 4-piston rear calipers grab onto 380mm rotors, increasing the heat capacity to resist brake fade. Ride height adjustability comes courtesy of Allen's road and track adjustable coilover suspension. The DFV, dual-flow valve, inverted monotube dampers feature adjustments for low and high-speed compression, as well as rebound. A Toyota strut tower brace joins the shock towers to stiffen the chassis and maintain suspension geometry for optimal handling.